Welcome to the webinar series that no sixth form parent wants to miss. How do I help my son or daughter write a strong UCAS application? Which university and course? University is a big investment and it's one of the most important decisions of your son or daughter's life. It's crucial to get the choice of course and university right so they'll be happy and successful. Making a successful UCAS application is therefore a life-changing process. So what is Uni-Assist Hub? Well, it's a series of live webinars and Q&A sessions for parents. It gives you access to an innovative, virtual, step-by-step source of advice for parents. There's also the opportunity to book one-to-one advice from an expert if you get stuck. Delivered by experts, and it's designed especially to complement the support offered by schools. Uni-Assist Hub is all the advice a parent needs to steer, support and guide your son or daughter effectively. So would you like to find out more? Go to uniassisthub.co.uk/webinar programme. Register for the first webinar in the series via this link, uniassisthub.co.uk/webinar programme. Our free gift to introduce parents to Uni-Assist Hub is 2 live webinars or access to the recordings to watch anytime, anywhere at a time to suit you. The first webinar starts on the 7th of September 2021. Our friendly team of experts looks forward to meeting you soon. Register at uniassisthub.co.uk/webinar programme. Thanks for listening.